Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great content that I'll be posting. So as you can hear, it's raining. I wanted to go in town today just to do a few stuffs, but that can't happen today because it's raining and then it's getting really late. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make a weight gain shake. So for all my slim girlies who want to gain weight and some butt, yeah, this shake is for you. Alright, so stick around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. And welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you stay and enjoy my channel. Alright, so let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so what I've noticed that majority of slim girls, they're insecure about their bodies. You know, they don't feel as confident as they should, and just want to put on a few weight, you know, have a bit of fat, but slim thick, too thick. Yeah, majority of slim girls want the weight gain. So what you can do, you can take this shake. You can also do squats, like 20 to 50 squats a day. You can do that, and you can also take maca root pills. So with the maca root pills, some of the benefits are, you know, it helps to build your muscles. It helps with your energy, your mood, and you know, you can do few research on the maca root pills. But when you're taking the maca root pills, you have to eat something heavy, right? You have to eat something heavy 3 times a day. You're going to take the maca root pills. If you don't want to buy the pill, or if you don't want to take the pill, you can buy the maca root powder and you can put it in the shake as well. So that is going to help you to build up your muscles and, you know, put on a little weight. Not a little, put on enough weight. Yeah, but you have to stay consistent, right? So this, you know, when you stay consistent, you're gonna see results within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. All right, so let me show you guys how to make that shake, the big body shake, the weight gain shake. All right. And another thing, guys, just a disclaimer, nothing is wrong with taking these things just to put on a little extra weight. Yes, we know that you guys love your bodies, but you know, sometimes, you know, this slim girl them want to put on a little weight and just feel a little bit more confident in themselves. And you know, you get the drill, right? Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, so I have all my ingredients right here. You're gonna need a banana, peanut butter. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half tablespoon of honey, a cup of milk, and quarter oats, right? Yeah, so that's the ingredients that we're working with today. Also, all of these include, you know, you're gonna get your calories, your proteins, your carbs, and fats. Yeah.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels killing me. Body you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be absolutely mad, but I go up the streets, just searching for my wings. If you know where I'll find it, I could take a limousine. Let's for you. Don't let them decide. Sweet words are not true. But love isn't blind. And you can bet on it. Yeah, you can bet on it. Burning, burning and burning. Burning, burning and burning. Burning, burning and burning. Burning, burning and burning. Burning, burning,
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them.
So this is a weight gain shake. If you put on weight, if you have big bottom, yeah, just do what I tell you to do. Do the squats them, take the shakes, and if you want to take the macaroni pills, you can do so. And in no time, you're gonna gain weight. And it is good. So good. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a market haul. So we have fruits and vegetables. Alright. So the first thing we have here is a hand of ripe banana. Then we have pineapple, 3 pound of cabbage. Yeah, these are the stuffs from the last vlog. I told you guys that I ordered my market and fruit stuffs. So these are the things that I have: garlic, orange. This is, I think, a dozen. Yeah, a dozen orange. So 2 pound of tomato, 2 pound of papaya. I think this is, I don't remember how much melon is this. I think it's about, I don't remember how much melon. I just did right melon. So I'm gonna get this a melon here. What else? I got 2 pound pak choy, scallion and thyme. I don't know how much this. I just did write down scallion and thyme. Guys, I showed you 1 bag of pak choy, but it's 2 bags. Yeah, so 2 pound of pak choy. Yeah. All right, so we got 2 pound of carrot, 2 pound of callaloo. We have ginger, 2 pound of cucumber. A 2 pound is, I think, a 1 pound. Sorry, 1 pound of cucumber and 3 pound of pumpkin. Is it a 3 or 2? I don't remember. But yeah, we got pumpkin. Alright, so we got this look like 2 dozen green banana. But I know I add 1 dozen, but probably get 1 extra one. I don't know. But 2 pound of Irish potato, 2 pound of sweet potatoes. We have dozen apple. Yeah. We have dozen apple. And alright, so we have 2 green plantain. I know by weekend is either tomorrow or Sunday or even Monday. Them here are go ripe because time hot and they soon ripe. And we also got 2 pound of onion. So yes guys, those are my market stuffs that I got. Alright, this is the end of the vlog, or this is the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. And wanting to come back, come make me know, say, yeah girl, me I put on weight. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.